Chapter 15. The Earth and Other Heavenly Bodies. Let's know. The sun, the moon, and the stars that we see in the sky are called heavenly bodies. The sky is a vast empty space where we see heavenly bodies. Space, including heavenly bodies, is called universe. Thus, the sun, moon, stars, planets, etc. are part of universe. Planets, heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun, are called planets. Our Earth is a planet. Solar system. The sun and the planets moving around it form a family called solar system. The solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All these planets move around the sun on their fixed paths called orbits. Planets do not have their own light. They reflect the light of the sun. You must know, Jupiter is the biggest planet of our solar system. The Earth. We live on Earth. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. In the solar system, it is considered a unique planet because it has life due to the presence of air and water on it. Shape of the Earth. The Earth seems to be flat, but actually it is round like an orange and slightly flat at the poles. Atmosphere on Earth. The Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. All living beings need air to live. Air is a mixture of many gases, tiny dust particles, and water vapor. It is tasteless, colorless, and invisible. Water on Earth. Nearly 3/4, 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. This water is in the form of glaciers, oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. We cannot live without water. Movements of the Earth. The Earth is moving all the time. It shows 2 types of movements: rotation and revolution. 1. Rotation. The Earth spins like a top all the time. It spins around an imaginary line from North Pole to South Pole. This imaginary line is called axis. The spinning of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Days and nights are formed due to the rotation of the Earth. You must know, the Earth spins from west to east. 2. Revolution. The movement of the Earth around the sun is called revolution. While rotating on its axis, the Earth also goes around the sun. Earth takes 365 1/4 day to complete one revolution. The revolution of the Earth causes change of seasons. The moon. The heavenly bodies, which revolve around the planets, are called satellites. The Earth has only one natural satellite. We call it the moon. The moon moves around the Earth. It does not have its own light. It shines because it reflects the light of the sun falling on it. The moon takes about 27.3 days to complete its one revolution around the Earth. There is no air on the moon, so life is not possible on it. The first man who landed on the moon was Neil Armstrong. Stars. Stars are the heavenly bodies that give off their own light and heat. There are infinite number of stars in the sky. Some stars look big, some look small. Actually, they are very, very big. Some stars are much larger than the moon, the Earth, and even the sun. But they look small because they are very far away from the Earth. You must know, the sun is the closest star to the Earth. Key terms: universe, all the space and everything in it. Planets, the heavenly bodies that revolve around the Sun. Orbits, the path of the planets. Rotation, the movement of Earth on its own axis. Revolution, the movement of Earth around the Sun. Wrap up. Key points of the chapter. The Sun, Moon, stars, planets, etc. are called heavenly bodies. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Rotation of the Earth causes formation of day and night. Revolution of the Earth causes change in seasons. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth.